It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this clean and undecorate with me. So we are going to be going through the kitchen, the dining room, and the bedroom and cleaning and undecorating from the summertime. I didn't have a ton of decor, so I have a tiny bin that I'm going to be storing all of my lemons and stuff in from the summer season. I just wanted to go ahead and have like a fresh slate before I go ahead and decorate for fall. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope it brings you tons of cleaning motivation.
Be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you.
If you are new here, welcome. My name is Carlie. I do tons of cleaning motivation here on this channel. I also do home decor and some motherhood and lifestyle videos as well. So if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I wanted to go ahead and kind of give you my schedule for the next week. So on Tuesday, we are going to be cleaning my whole house, getting it all nice and ready to decorate for fall. We are going to be doing like some deep cleaning, cleaning all of the windows and the windowsills and the kitchen and the carpets and just everything. All of the rooms that I plan on decorating for fall, I'm going to be doing like a deep clean in. So that'll be Tuesday, and then on Thursday will be my first clean and decorate with me, which I'm super excited about. I cannot wait to show you guys how I'm going to decorate this year for fall 2020. So Tuesday is a clean with me, and then Thursday is a clean and decorate with me. So make sure you go ahead and hit that bell notification so you get notified whenever I do uploads.
Time to shine, now show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling in love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
I have already seen a ton of fall clean and decorate with me videos here on YouTube, and I'm just so excited about the fall season coming up. I currently have a fall candle burning in my home and it smells so good, and it's actually cooler here today in Pennsylvania, so I am definitely getting all of the fall vibes, but I honestly cannot wait to decorate and just have my home feel all nice and cozy and warm and just smell so good from all of those fall candles. But let me know down below what season your favorite is to decorate for. Mine is definitely either between fall, Halloween, and Christmas. I honestly love all three of them a ton. And I also do love decorating for the summertime. I like the lemon theme, but I feel like fall and Christmas and Halloween are definitely my three contenders for what I like to decorate the most for. I honestly cannot choose between the three of them just because decorating brings me so much joy in the holiday season as well. But let me know down below what your favorite season to decorate is.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from back.
So I'm just going to go ahead and take all of the lemon and greenery here out of the kitchen. I am leaving a few little plants just for now. I still have a few days before I go ahead and do the decorating, and I'm not sure what I'm going to leave out and what I'm going to put away. So I left a few of the greenery out, but all of the yellow and lemons are being put away.
Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe.
I have been debating on whether or not I want to decorate this table for the fall time. I did get some decor for it, and honestly, part of me just wants to put a candle on it and call it good, because I love having a table that doesn't have a ton of clutter on it. I like it to be just, it looks really nice when it's all wiped down and it's clean and it looks big. So I'm not sure what my plan is for fall, but I guess you will have to wait and see what I end up doing. But that is definitely the number one thing I'm struggling with for decorating for fall.
Say you don't wanna be with me, but you miss me as soon as it's over. Your name lighting up the screen, but you never call when you're sober. You say you don't like the games, but you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer. You know you hurt me bad and I have scars. I need some time to heal, so don't come over. Don't even bother calling, just get lost. I'm fine on my own, so don't even bother to come back, 'cause I'm done. I'm fine on my own, and boy, your pretty little lies are getting old. All the nights I have wasted on you are gone, 'cause we are through. All the nights I have wasted on you are gone, 'cause we are through. You say you don't wanna be a thing, but I'm not the one who's calling. I'm tired of waiting for you to change into someone who can love me. But you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer. You know you hurt me bad and I have scars. I need some time to heal, so don't come over. Don't even bother calling, just get lost. I'm fine on my own, so don't even bother to come back, 'cause I'm done. I'm fine on my own, and boy, your pretty little lies are getting old. All those late nights I waited for you, they're gone, 'cause we are through. All those late
Next, we're going to go ahead and move into the master bedroom, and there was honestly only one thing in here that was summer related, and those were the flowers that I had sitting on my nightstand. They were currently on the floor because my daughter was playing with them, but I'm going to go ahead and make the bed and just tidy up in here because I love having a clean room. Also, I wanted to mention that on probably every single one of my videos, I get one person who is mean in the comments and always says something about me making my bed. So today I am taking extra time. I'm going to go ahead and make it nice and neat. But honestly, if you guys, I don't understand what the problem is with making your bed and why it has to be perfect, because honestly I end up in this bed way before nighttime just laying down or watching a show with my daughter, and all the pillows literally end up back on the ground. And I know for the video, like, you should probably make it properly for the cleaning motivation and everything, but If you have the days where you literally just throw your comforter on and call it a day, that is totally fine. I don't understand why people make it such a big deal on how you make your bed. I don't think there is a right or wrong way. I feel like however you want to make it is how you should make it. That is my rant for today.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no.
Next, I'm just going to go ahead and clear off our dresser. This had a ton of stuff on it, a ton of socks. I actually went out and bought my husband all new socks. So I wanted to go ahead and kind of go through them and put them back in the drawer. So that is what we are going to do now, and then we're going to go ahead and vacuum up the floor.
You will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love.
So that is going to be it for this clean and undecorate with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it brought you motivation if you still have your summer decor out and you are wanting to put it away. I know some people are still leaving their summer out and they're not ready for fall yet, but I hope whether or not you are, this video motivated you to clean and get your home back in order. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you Tuesday in my cleaning video and then Thursday in my clean and decorate for fall. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.